Francis and welcome to the Nobi home. Today I'm gonna show you the latest addition to my ever-growing house. Actually, I know you've been encouraging me to start a vlog since many months ago. I think I asked it before. And I never got around to doing it because I didn't have time. I had so many excuses. I couldn't think of anything to share with you. So finally, when I asked if you wanted to do an unboxing of this beautiful fan, you guys said yes. So thank you for pushing me to do it, and now we're gonna do it. Today we are reviewing the XF-6077 wooden design stand fan. It has an adjustable tilt, it has 3 speeds, an adjustable height from 90 to 125 centimeters, an oscillation function, a diameter of 40 centimeters, and it boasts of a high-quality motor with thermal fuse inside the motor. So now we are going to check what's inside the box. The base is kind of heavy, and I think it's really well made. It's made of metal, it's semi-gloss, and it's really kind of heavy, so you can be assured that your fan won't topple off, even with the motor. And then here we have the fan itself. Thank you, Asahi, for making this beautiful fan. I really like it. The build is good. So you have your instruction manual. We'll browse through that later. You have your warranty card, and actually it says here on the fan, it comes with a 5-year warranty on motor. So let's test how strong the wind power is. So I will attach this to the fan. So now it's off, and then you can see that it's there. If I turn on one, it's flying a bit. So how strong it is. Now for 2. Now the vapors like going crazy. You can barely see the paper anymore. That's how strong it is. That's how it is. So I also did a book test. I wanted to see how much pages can the fan blow away with every speed level, and here it is. So I hope you enjoyed my unboxing / mini review, and I hope you had fun with me, and maybe next time we can do more fun things together. Thank you. Please like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram so we can discover more beautiful things for our homes. Especially me, I like minimalist Japanese Scandinavian design. I'll see you next time. So thank you and bye.